How does a radiator heat the other side of a room? How is heat loss from a house reduced and a stable temperature maintained? And what should a radiator really be called? Here I have a radiator heating a cold room. The radiator heats the air particles surrounding it, increasing their movement or kinetic energy. As the hotter particles move faster, they collide with each other more often and spread further apart, decreasing the air's density. The density of the hot air around the radiator is now lower than the density of the cold air above it, and the hot air rises. This causes cold air from the room to be drawn towards the radiator. This cold air is now heated, and the cycle continues. Transfer of heat by the movement of a fluid like this is called convection. A convection current is set up in the room and all areas are warmed. Although a radiator does radiate some heat, it mainly heats by convection and should really be called a convector. Convectors usually have fins to increase their surface area and increase the rate of heating by convection. Now, no one heats a room in October and expects it still to be hot in March. Heat is lost through the roof, through the windows, and through the walls. So how can the rate of heat transfer out of the house be reduced? Insulation is placed in the loft. Windows are double glazed, and houses are built with 2 layers of brick called cavity walls. These cavities are filled with insulation containing trapped pockets of air. The air cannot move and cannot transfer heat by convection. Air is a gas and its particles are far apart, and so it is also a poor conductor of heat. A thermostat is used to keep the room at a constant temperature. Inside, the resistance of a thermistor changes as the temperature changes. When the room temperature rises above the set temperature, the thermostat switches off the heater. When the room then drops below the set temperature, the heater is turned on again. If you like this video, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to Bricking Physics.